Light is a crucial factor for plant growth, but there's more to it than just brightness. In a greenhouse, optimizing light can mean the difference between good growth and exceptional growth. Today, we're at a commercial greenhouse to see how light-diffusing polycarbonate can make plants grow faster and healthier by creating a unique glow effect throughout the space. Light-diffusing polycarbonate is a unique greenhouse covering material designed to scatter sunlight evenly across the entire space. How, you wonder? Well, when sunlight passes through each of these panels, the light is broken into a softer, scattered beam that works together across the entire greenhouse, helping to reduce shadows. Well, think of how light diffuses on a bright, overcast day. Although the sky is cloudy, the sunlight remains evenly spread, creating a bright light condition without the intensity of the direct sun. When sunlight passes through glass or other clear materials, however, the effect is very different. Direct beams enter without scattering, creating hotspots or deep shadows inside. These areas of concentration, can lead to uneven growth or even cause leaf burn on sensitive plants. This even spread of light is more than just visually appealing. It enhances photosynthesis by ensuring that every leaf and stem receives balanced light. Studies have shown that plants grow in different light conditions have increased photosynthesis efficiently, meaning faster, stronger growth compared to those exposed to direct sunlight with shadows. Hey, did you know that plants can use diffused light more effectively than direct sunlight because it reaches deeper into the canopy? With more balanced light distribution, every leaf gets its share of boosting photosynthesis and crop growth. This is especially helpful for shade-loving plants, allowing them to grow strong, healthy, without sacrificing quality. Now you know. For delicate plants, direct sunlight can sometimes lead to leaf burn or plant stress. But with this uniform glow from light-diffusing panels, plants enjoy gentle, balanced light that's less likely to cause damage. This helps to reduce the stress and support healthier growth from top to bottom. Light-diffusing polycarbonate also helps with climate control. Because the light is spread evenly, it minimizes hotspots and reduces the chance of overheating, allowing for a stable, manageable environment. This effect makes it easier to control temperature, even in the intense sun, which can lead to energy savings by reducing the need for cooling systems. As an added bonus, the opaque quality of these panels provides more privacy. Unlike the clear material, which allows for full visibility inside, light-diffusing polycarbonate offers a bit more of seclusion, a helpful feature for gardeners who prefer a bit more of a private setup. Commercial growers appreciate light-diffusing panels because of the impact on the plant's health, faster growth, and consistent light quality. For large-scale operations, that even light distribution means higher yields and more predictable results without the worry of shadowed spots or burned leaves. Did you know, many commercial growers report up to a 20% increase in yield when using light diffusing polycarbonate. The enhanced light distribution creates a more uniform growth, making it easier to predict and manage crop output. Now you know. While light diffusing polycarbonate offers clear benefits for plant growth and climate control, there are a few trade-offs to consider. First, because light diffusion panels scatter light rather than letting it pass straight through, they tend to reduce the overall light intensity. For crops that need maximum sunlight, especially in areas with low light during the winter, this may be something to keep in mind. Another factor that is that the panels aren't completely clear. For growers who want full visibility into their greenhouse or who use it for display purposes, the semi-transparent appearance of light diffusing panels may be a drawback. So who are light diffusing panels best suited for? Well, these panels are excellent choice for growers in areas with strong or variable sunlight, where gentle, even light helps prevent sunburn or plant stress. They're also ideal for dense crops or tall plants, as light diffusion penetrates deep into the plant's canopy, giving the lower leaves the light they need. Also for urban gardeners or anyone wanting a bit more privacy, the semi-transparent or the semi-opaque quality of these panels provides seclusion, making them a great option for highly visible areas. Light-diffusing polycarbonate creates a greenhouse environment that plants can thrive in. No hotspots, no shadows, just an even, healthy glow. If you're looking to optimize your greenhouse environment for better growth and plant health, this could be the game changer that you've been looking for. So check out our range of light-diffusing polycarbonate panels and greenhouse kits in our store, all designed to bring these benefits straight to your garden. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and hit that like button down at the bottom for more greenhouse tips and insights. Appreciate you hanging out with us today. I'm Trevor with Greenhouse Emporium.